Bar placement and support. Following points should be kept in mind. Improper placement of reinforcing steel can greatly reduce the strength and life of a structure, resulting premature costly repairs and replacement of structures and direct failure. A structure fails when it can not longer be used in the manner in which it was intended, and all mild steel bars should be provided with standard hooks. Minimum bearing of lintel is 250 mm and slab is 150 mm provided. Development length for M20 mix is 35 diameter for column and 55 diameter for beam, slab etc. Structural failures in bar placement. The life of the reinforcing steel is shortened due to corrosion from increased exposure to atmosphere. Concrete around the reinforcing steel can also be debonded from the reinforcing steel. Loss of loading capacity of bar placement. Lowering the top bars or raising the bottom bars by half an inch more in a 6 inches deep slab could reduce its load carrying capacity by 20%. Different aspects for reinforcement placement are: concrete cover over the embedded bars is very important, and the cover design is based on and takes into the consideration of local building codes, fire hazards, corrosion potential, and exposure to weather. Minimum cover provided according to situation. Where concrete is cast against earth, on the bottom of footings or other principal structural members where concrete is deposited on the ground, provide 75 mm cover. Bars larger than 16 mm diameter, where concrete surfaces, after removal of forms, would be exposed to the weather or in contact with the ground, provide 50 mm cover. 16 mm diameter bars and smaller, where concrete surfaces, after removal of forms, would be exposed to the weather or in contact with the ground. Over spirals and ties in column, provide 38 mm cover. Chairs. It is made in various heights to support specific reinforcing bar sizes and positions. Concrete bar support. Different concrete bar supports are as follow. Plain block: they are used to support bars off the ground. Wired blocks: these are used to hold the support against vertical forms by tying it to reinforcing bars. Combination blocks: these blocks have a groove, used for holding bars at a closer clearance. Dowel blocks: these are cast with a hole in the center approx 1/4 inch deep. The hole is large enough to insert 4 bar with a 90-degree bend at the top to support the upper mat. Typical types and size of precast concrete bar supports. Bar supports are provided to secure bars at the specified clearance from the forms before and during placement of concrete. They are made in variety of configurations and materials for particular applications. Wire bar supports. They provide lightweight, durable supports for use in a wide range of applications. They are available in 3 classes. The plastic coating usually is applied by the manufacturer, dipping using pre-molded slip. Bar supports are intended for use in situations of moderate to severe exposure. No matter which method is used, inspect the coating or tip before use to ensure that it will not chip, crack, deform, peel, or come loose under ordinary job conditions. Typical types and sizes of wire bar supports are given below. Tie wires. Reinforcing steel must be secured to prevent displacement during construction activities and concrete placement. This is usually accomplished with tie wire.